Here we go.
Here we go.
You ready for your birthday cruise?
Awesome.
I'm the crew.
You're the crew.
He's the captain.
Yep,
I'm the crew.
indeed.
Well, we haven't hit anything yet. No. Beverly Hills.
With Bob and Liz aboard, we start our adventure heading northbound on the Intracoastal Waterway from Pompano Beach to Boca Raton.
That's like the Buccaneer Lady.
Leave it to my mom to find the Canadian flagged ship along the ICW.
See where that thing's from. Oh, wow. Maybe it's a one-way street. I don't know. It's pretty.
Birthday card and flowers.
Alrighty.
Hot dogs. Holy, happy birthday.
Happy
Hot dogs, chicken, hot dogs and champagne. That's
Awesome.
right. And jalapeno.
Happy
chips.
birthday.
50 years.
Yes.
Boat life.
Mhm.
Boca Raton.
Boca Raton.
Boca Raton.
That's right.
We walked off our birthday lunch on the Boca Raton beach, and after a few hours, it was time to get back to the boat to enjoy the sunset, some pink champagne, and one of our favorite activities, music.
Carry on home, lucky. Singing songs about the Southland. How about you, brother?
Alright, stop what you're doing, cause I'm about to ruin the image and the style that you're used to. I look funny, but yo, I'm making money, see? So yo, what, I hope you're ready for me to gather round. I'm the new fool in town, and my sound's way down by the underground. I'll drink up all the Hennessy you got on your shelf, so just let me introduce myself. My name is Humpty, pronounced with the umpty. All ladies, all how I like to funk thee. And all you rappers in the top 10, please allow me to bump thee. Lord, I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home. Yeah.
More pink champagne. Awesome.
Yeah.
Man, it's really nice. It's like golf. Wow.
Mom, you gotta come up here.
Oh. He's playing good.
There, up there.
Oh, it's swimming upside down in the water. Two different elements.
We moored up for the afternoon at one of our favorite spots in Fort Lauderdale, the Las Olas Bridge. We dinghied over to shore that evening, walked around Fort Lauderdale by night, then came back to Lost Cat, turned on the blue spreader lights, and enjoyed our evening aboard. The next day, we were headed south on the Intracoastal to Miami.